Okay.
There you go, Naomi.
Good girl. Good girl,
What do you
Naomi.
think of that? How does that taste?
How do you like that? That's my baby girl.
Do you like that? Got it.
Oh, baby girl.
Show a little bit more. Good job.
Naomi, you're such a good eater. I'm so proud of you. Yum. Yeah. Oh, you're such a good girl.
Mmm. Yum yum. Yum yum.
Good girl, Naomi.